Our company has been carried forward the power of science and technology for more than 60 years. An innovation force in the new era produced by Internet Plus, big data, artificial intelligence, etc. is changing the world. Our company would follow the trend of science and technology and fit in independent innovation strategy, and committed to the research and development of internationally renowned Chinese best vacuum machinery, thermal separation equipment, and special pressure vessel products. Salute to the future in the name of quality. Wuxi Lima, intelligent manufacturer in China. Wuxi Lima Chemical Machinery Company Limited was established in 1966. Wuxi Lima has been striving to build a national brand during the past 60 years. Keeping abreast with the times, our company became the industry leader of featured petrochemical machinery, film short-range dedicated equipment, and intelligent packaging automation equipment with its advanced design concepts, professional technical advantages, and rich accumulated practical experience. Here is Chinese 863 Plan Intelligent Robot Theme Industrialization Base, National Specialized New Small Giant Enterprises, National High-Tech Enterprises, Chinese largest production supplier of rotary thin film evaporator and short path distiller. The first batch of domestic companies to obtain 1 to 3 class pressure vessel design and manufacturing license, R&D and production of Chinese first automatic bagging machine. Won the National Award for National Major Technical Equipment, signed by the Premier of the State Council. The first prize of National Science and Technology Progress. The company's outstanding contribution experts enjoy the National Lifetime Special Allowance. Advanced products manufactured by our company with international standards were granted the American ASMEU Steel Sales Certificates, EU PED and CE certifications. Here is Jiangsu Province Enterprise Technology Center, Jiangsu Intelligent Robot Packaging and Pilotizing Engineering Technology Research Center, Jiangsu Province Informatization and Industrialization Integration Pilot Enterprises, Jiangsu Province Industrial Enterprise Quality Credit AA Level Enterprises, together with Shanghai Jiaocheng University and Huazhong University of Science and Technology. The company has built an industry, university, research, innovation research, and development platform, and has nearly 100 invention patents, copyrighted software, and proprietary technologies with independent intellectual property rights. Clusters of 3 products. Full automatic packing and pilotizing production line. Wuxi Lima adopts the newest control technology and engineering platform and is an internationally advanced one-stop solution and system equipment integration provider for intelligent, automated, and efficient packaging production. Efficient rotary thin film evaporator. China engaged in thermal separation technology research and development of the industry benchmark. The successful development of the first product in the 1990s has been iterated and innovated to the latest version of 3.0. More than 30 years of design and manufacturing quality model. The achievement of Wuxi Lima internationally renowned thin film evaporation technology research and development and production base. Chinese largest professional manufacturer of excellent manufacturers for molecular short path distiller. Manufacturing of specialized pressure vessels with characteristics of medium and high pressure reactor. Wuxi Lima's production history of propylene polymeric kettles for 45 years. The best professional manufacturer and supplier of horizontal reactors in China. Contractually manufacturing heat exchangers, pressure vessels and high-pressure vessels made of stainless steel, titanium, nickel, and other special materials for many well-known domestic and foreign companies. Wuxi Lima is widely devoted to developing domestic and overseas strategic cooperation, and Lima's brand products have been exported to Europe and America, Japan, and many other manufacturing powers, and successfully conduct product technology cooperation with more than 10 countries along the Belt and Road. Quality because of professional, brand from quality. Innovation highlights characteristics, win-win from integrity. The enterprising scientific research elite team, the excellence of the artisans and technicians team, the internationally accepted quality, environment, energy, occupational health, and safety management system, the advanced original testing and testing center, the tireless pursuit of quality, so that Wuxi Lima's technology and products are perfected. The impulse for Wuxi Lima to march is sourced from long-range vision, lofty missions, and vigorous Lima culture. Industry serves the country, constantly strive to become stronger, develop the enterprise, and benefit everyone. There is always a force to accompany the growth of urban development. Innovation, the eternal proposition of the times for development. Wuxi Lima will always uphold the development concept of scientific and technological innovation, help build industrial civilization in the new era, create a national brand to be Centennial Lima, wisdom manufacturing in China. Lima takes the lead.